If I was nervous about anything before installation, it was just that we were going to spend money and put it in the wall, and then it was going to be just a decoration. And so I think my nerves were, you know, it's a big financial commitment, and so are we actually going to make use of these boards? And like I said, all year long, they've been routinely used. I think most teachers would say, well, how would we have class without it?
It was really important that we didn't just add another piece of technology to our classroom. We really wanted to have a piece of technology that became part of the classroom. So with the addition of the BenQ boards in our classrooms, teachers are very excited about it, and there's a lot of ecosystem that comes with that. The tools that are embedded in the board have become second nature to some of our staff members, and teachers are excited that we have the newest technology in the classrooms.